a mic so that they can give their instructions. Please. We have today the honor to witness esteemed alumni of NIFT and accomplished fashion designers with us here today. Please give a good round of applause for our judges today. So what they have to do is, they'll be speaking up their tag number, your name, and then a little introduction about yourself.
Hello everyone. My tag number is 29 and my name is Chedana Bia and I am from Bangalore. Proud electronics and communication engineer. As maths is my passion, I took proper training from IVOX and I am a proud school partner, IVOX center partner from IVOX. And I am very happy to be here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please walk. You could stand there now. Once you've done with their instructions, could you stand there?
Hello, good afternoon everyone. हौसलों से मेरी होती है उड़ान, ना कोई शिकायत ना कोई थकान. Here I am Kritika Dixit from Sikar, Rajasthan. Happy Shamli ki Lali. I am a candidate and I am very happy to be the candidate and it's an opportunity that Ivan Awas gives to us and the confidence that here we can work and lift our head and a good entrepreneur. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Please, a good round of applause for her.
Ram Ram Sabiko. I am Prerna Gupta. मैंने अवेगस किया है, अभी मैंने इसकी फ्रेंचाइजी ले ली है, ओनली मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ. थैंक यू.
Thank you. Please walk. Walk. Take your time and walk.
Hello everyone. Actually, many could participate ही करा और मैं आईवा की कंटेस्टेंट ही नहीं हूँ. First of all of a sudden मैंने किसी से इंक्वायरी किया. First of all मैं अपना इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगी. ईशा मेरा दिस साइड. मैं योगा इंस्ट्रक्टर हूँ और मेरी डॉटर को अवार्ड मिल रहा है चैम का. तो ऑल ऑफ सडन मैंने यहाँ पे पूछा कि जो यहाँ पे रैंप वॉक होगा सब पेरेंट्स पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं, तो ये स्कूल जो मैम ने गाइड करा ये इस तरह. तो मैंने ऑल ऑफ सडन डिसाइड करा कि ये स्कूल से भी मेरा बचपन से सपना था कि मैं रैंप पे वॉक करूँ, बट ऐसा हो नहीं पाया. बट मेरी डॉटर की वजह से मुझे ये चांस मिला, तो मैं ऑल ऑफ सडन यहाँ पर आप सबके सामने आई हूँ और फर्स्ट टाइम का ये स्टेज परफॉर्मेंस है. बाकी अगर आप भी अपने आप को फिट रखना मीना जैन। दिलवालों की नगरी दिल्ली से हूँ मैं, और आइवा ने मुझे एक उड़ान दी है जिसके थ्रू मैं बच्चों की कुछ मदद करना चाह रही हूँ। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आइवा का, एंड फॉर एवरी टीचर हु हेल्प मी टू ग्रो इन माई प्रॉस्पेक्ट्स। थैंक यू।
Thank you. You walk. By the time the one contestant finishes, you walk towards her.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ayushi Bansal, tag number 12. I am from Noida, sector 46, and I am here because of Aiva only. And Aiva teaches us abacus, verticals, and many more courses they are providing us. But it is a great opportunity for the women who are packed in their houses itself. Not only on the earth, you can go till the sky if you are dedicated towards your aim. Your motive is to go higher, and you want to prove yourself, then you must do a course with 100% of dedication. दो लाइनें मैं आप सबके आगे कहना चाहूंगी। सीढ़ियां उन्हें मुबारक हो जिन्हें छत तक जाना है, मेरी मंजिल तो आसमां है, रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन।
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Priya Sampath and I am from Bangalore. Initially I was working in an IT company. Then I started working for a finance company. But initially my passion was teaching. Aiva gave me a proper platform to accomplish my passion. Thank you very much for Aiva.
Thank you so much. Please have your
खम्मागढ़ी दिल्ली। मेरा नाम पूर्णिमा सोनी है। मेरा नेटिव राजस्थान में है और मैं रहती बैंगलोर में हूँ। आइवा आवास ने एक बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है, स्पेशली होम मेकर्स को। आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर इट एंड थैंक यू एवरीवन।
Thank you so much. Our last contestant, and by the time our judges will be preparing the answers, I have a little thing for you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Meena. I am from Silicon City, Bangalore, Karnataka. I opted this as an entrepreneurship after being worked for 25 years as a teacher. And thanks to Aiva and to be IBM. Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you. So I think you need 5 more minutes to prepare. And जब तक ये करते हैं, I would like to thank you so much for listening to me. I have my train by 4:15, so I'll have to leave in between. The last thing that I would like to say is 95% वाले बच्चे भी मेडिकल या नॉन मेडिकल लेना है, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है आज. We all agree? Because कहीं ना कहीं when we were teaching these students, आपने as teachers, as principals ये चीज notice की होगी that whenever you meet somebody who's got 95% marks, आपके स्कूल का टॉपर होगा, वो आपको कहीं मार्केट में मिलेगा, you'll go there, he'll look at you, he'll change the face and walk away. वही 60% वाला बच्चा वो आपको दूर से देखेगा, बोला सत श्री अकाल मैडम जी, आता है कि नहीं? आता है? हम क्या गलत, what are we doing wrong with this 95% वाला बच्चा and what are we doing right with this 65% वाला बच्चा? कुछ तो गड़बड़ हो रही है. कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग, यहाँ पे सब पैनलिस्ट आए, सबने बात किया that we need to create empathy also with these students. हमें उनकी first 10 years, first 12 years का जो लाइफ है, we have to create good humans. रट्टू तोते नहीं रेडी करने हैं, right or wrong? So I think as principals, it should be your duty now that when you go out to your schools back, एक तो wherever I go for lectures, I tell everybody कि 4th class तक, जब तक बच्चा 10 साल का है, red pens use करना बंद कर दो. Because that red pen का एक क्रॉस बच्चे के ऊपर एक itch कर जाता है, I am not good enough. We don't have to tell the children that you're not good enough. We need to tell them you need to learn. अभी तो सीखो, हमें उनको टेस्ट नहीं करना. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure being here at a wonderful institution with such dignitaries. Thank you so much. सर मुझे बहुत देर से प्रॉम्प्ट कर रहे हैं, कुछ पंजाबी च कह के जाओ, कुछ पंजाबी च कह के जाओ. सर I tried, but I don't think यहाँ पे ऐसे, but इतना है कि मैं ना अभी रिसेंटली दलजीत का शो देख के आई थी, तो वो कुछ आजकल ना बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉम्प्ट कर रहा है ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड. You know what is that sentence he's speaking up again and again? मैं हूँ पंजाब, right? So can we have this in the house? मैं हूँ पंजाब. We are an integral part of this beautiful country called India. I am so lucky to be born here. I am from a state जिथे everybody, सारे लोग इस वेले सिर्फ बाहर जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. Everybody wants to do IELTS क्यों कहते हैं आप बाहर चले जाइए. लेकिन असी हुन एहो जिहा एक सिनेरियो क्रिएट करना है that nobody goes out. Our education system is the best in the world. ऐसे नहीं साउथ का इतना बच्चा वहां सिलिकॉन वैली में बैठा है. So please make sure you do not give a wrong, attempt to all these students कि आपको बाहर जाना है. यहाँ कुछ नहीं रखा, बहुत कुछ रखा हुआ है, बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पे. Ma'am agrees to it. She being a woman, a police officer, so many dignitaries here with such great and span of experience. Thank you so much for having me here today. Thank you. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, बोले सोनिहाल. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aman ma'am. Such a warm anchoring for the today's day. Thank you so much. I would like to call Gupta sir on the stage to please present the call to anchor. Pooja ma'am, Rachna ma'am, please be on the stage.
आगे मत जियो, साइड से.
मेरा सारा स्क्रिप्ट इन लोगों ने लिखा हुआ है.
We have Miss Ayushi. Please stay here. She is the first, she'll be asked the questions. Then second is Miss Isha. Please step forward. And Miss Purnima. These three are selected for the next round. So others, please thank you so much for your participation in the fashion show. Thank you so much, judges. Thank you so much. Everyone, please, a big round of applause for everyone. Okay, so these three are selected for the next round. So we have a question and round for these three. Yes, ma'am. The judges.
Okay, so the first question is for contestant number 12. And the question is, what qualities do you think a pageant winner should possess?
Please repeat.
What qualities do you think a pageant winner should possess?
The question is not clear.
What qualities do you think a pageant winner should have? Pageant winner की क्या qualities होनी चाहिए आपके हिसाब से?
Ma'am, confidence top level पे work करता है. Then cooperation with everyone. If you are on the top of the any field, but you should always touch with the earth. You always feel like with everyone only. Your qualities will speak, but you never speak with your expressions that you are on the top. It will call attitude in you, but this will make a man spoil their life. So everyone, मतलब keep it in their minds कि उनको कभी भी अपनी लाइफ में एटीट्यूड नहीं लेके आना चाहिए, चाहे वो कितनी भी ऊंची पोस्ट पे चला जाए. This is the major thing that everyone should hold till their last beat.
Thank you, Ayushi.
Most welcome.
Okay, the next question is for Miss Isha. What do you think is the biggest challenge facing women today? और ऊपर से अगर वो वर्किंग है या नॉन वर्किंग भी है तो भी उसके पास काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं, बच्चों को आगे से स्टडी देना, अपने घर को संभालना, अपने प्यारे से हस्बैंड का केयर करना, इन लॉज का केयर करना, इनफैक्ट दो फैमिलीज की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज हो जाती है। तो ये वुमेन में वो नेचुरली वो पावर है, हमें वो पेशेंस है जिसको हम हर चीज को हैंडल कर सकते हैं। और चाहे कोई भी स्टेज हो, आप प्रिपेयर हैं या नहीं प्रिपेयर है, यस हम लोगों में कॉन्फिडेंस अपना हाई होता है जब हम दो फैमिलीज को हैंडल कर सकते हैं, अपने हस्बैंड को हैंडल कर सकते हैं, तो कुछ भी हैंडल कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।
Next question is for Purnima. What is modern women's role in society?
A modern woman is first a woman, and in modern world, a modern woman is a woman who handles everything. In one word, I would say she is Ashtadurga. She handles everything with her multiple hands, whether it is household chores, or her work, or her family, and the top priority is always the children. This is the modern woman, and women having the responsibilities in every aspect, in every time, in every youth. But the forms have been changed. Looking after the children, initially in mythology, the women they also had their chores. They had horse riding, piercing, everything was there. But in modern world, the forms have changed, the varieties have changed, and with the upcoming technology, it has been a different and entirely new world.
Thank you, Purnima.
Okay, I would like the judges to please come on the stage to announce the results.
So everyone who participated was extremely confident, extremely charming. So thank you so much, not just the three of you, everybody else. You guys were amazing, but sadly there's just one. So who we've decided for the winner today is, any guesses, anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you're right. So the winner is Miss Purnima. Congratulations.
Music please, sir. Clapping should not stop, audience. And the second round